Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the beauty world to give you insights that help you make informed choices. Today, we're looking at the Keratin Complex NKSTB Natural Keratin Smoothing Treatment for Blonde Hair Duo Kit, a product designed to smooth, straighten, and give your blonde hair a healthy boost. If you've been searching for a solution to frizzy or unruly hair, stay tuned as we explore whether this treatment really lives up to its promises. The Keratin Complex NKSTB Duo Kit includes two key products, KCPRIMER and NKSTB, both in a generous 33.8 fallout size. These treatments are designed for all hair types, but especially beneficial for blonde hair. The formula works by infusing hair with keratin, an essential protein that smooths the hair shaft, reducing frizz and leaving hair sleek and shiny. The scent is unscented, which is a nice touch if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. So, how does this work in real life? I've been using this duo for a few weeks now, and I have to say, I'm impressed with the ease of use. The KCPRIMER goes on first to prepare the hair for the treatment, and it feels like a gentle prep step, helping the NKSTB treatment to penetrate the strands. The consistency of both products is thick but easy to apply. I left the NKSTB treatment in as directed, and the results were visible immediately after rinsing. My hair felt incredibly smooth, but not weighed down, which is something I look for in any smoothing treatment. It's also worth mentioning that the process wasn't as time-consuming as some other keratin treatments I've tried. No sitting under a hot dryer or waiting hours for it to set. After the treatment, my blonde hair looked healthier, shinier, and the frizz was noticeably reduced. I wore my hair down in a humid environment to test its longevity, and I was pleasantly surprised by how smooth it remained throughout the day, even when exposed to moisture. When it comes to pros and cons, there are a few things to note. On the positive side, the treatment did exactly what it promised: smooth, frizz-free hair with a manageable texture. It didn't make my hair feel flat or limp, which can sometimes happen with other keratin treatments. Another major pro is the lack of strong fragrance, which makes it much more pleasant to use compared to heavily scented alternatives. On the downside, the price is a bit on the higher end. While the treatment works well and gives long-lasting results, it might not be the most budget-friendly option for everyone, especially if you have long hair and need to use a lot of product per application. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's reasonable if you're someone who struggles with frizzy hair or blonde hair that tends to get dry and unruly. The quality of the ingredients is definitely noticeable, and the results last for several washes, which justifies the investment. If you're looking at similar products, there are definitely some budget-friendly options out there, but they might not deliver the same level of smoothing or long-term benefits as this duo. If you're after a professional-grade keratin treatment with noticeable results, the Keratin Complex NKSTB kit is worth considering. The packaging is also quite sturdy, with the large bottles feeling premium and easy to use. The pump dispensers make it convenient to apply just the right amount of product without making a mess. As for durability, I've been using this for several weeks, and I still have plenty left, which makes it feel like a worthwhile investment in terms of longevity. If you've ever had to deal with less than stellar customer service, you'll appreciate that Keratin Complex is known for being responsive to inquiries and addressing any issues prompt, so you won't be left hanging if anything goes wrong with your order or product. So, does the Keratin Complex NKSTB Natural Keratin Smoothing Treatment for Blonde Hair Duo Kit live up to the hype? Yes, it certainly does. It's a professional-grade treatment that delivers smooth, frizz-free results, especially for blonde hair that needs a bit of extra care. It's perfect for anyone looking to add some shine and manageability to their hair routine. If you're looking for something a little more affordable but still effective, you might want to explore other keratin treatments. But I'd say the Keratin Complex Duo Kit is an investment that's worth it for the quality and results you get. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box or comments below. If you've used this treatment before, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.